Welcome to this guided sleep meditation, designed to lead you into deep, restful sleep by connecting with divine love and creation's sacred energy. Ensure you're in a comfortable, quiet space where you can fully relax, free from distractions. This meditation is best enjoyed with headphones, eyes closed, and all focus on the present, so please do not listen while driving or operating machinery. Settle into your space. Adjust your body until you're comfortable, whether lying down or sitting, and let your hands rest gently. Take a deep breath and allow your breathing to slow, becoming steady and calm. As we begin, remember this is your time to let go of the day's stress and fully embrace relaxation. You'll be guided down 13 steps, each connected to the divine and sacred geometry of the universe, symbolizing unity and completeness. God invites you to discover your personal power, cradled in divine love. Breathe deeply. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Let go, allow yourself to focus solely on rest in this moment. Trust the journey, each step will bring you closer to deep, restorative sleep. Now, let's begin. Imagine yourself standing at the top of a beautiful, wide, sturdy curved staircase leading you to the most peaceful and calm place of rest you can imagine. Know that you are moving closer to peace, unity, and wholeness with each step you take. Let this journey guide you into the calm, deep sleep you deserve. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let's begin the descent down the 13 sacred steps. The air around you is soft and warm, and you feel a sense of calm settling over you. Each step will bring you closer to a state of deep, restful sleep. These 13 steps, like the 13 circles of Metatron's cube, are a reminder from the universe that you are being called to discover your personal power and use it for good. With each step you take, you will let go of the worries of the day, connecting to both unity and completeness, as the 12 elements of creation are brought together by a divine central force, God, who is universal consciousness. The first step is the step of the flame of renewal, which is the tetrahedron representing fire. As you take your first step, the image of a tetrahedron appears before you. It is a simple yet powerful shape, a pyramid with 4 equal triangular faces. Its sharp edges and precise angles symbolize the clarity and energy of fire. The flame flickers softly from within, radiating warmth and a gentle glow as if it's purifying the space around you. Picture the tetrahedron resting in front of you, its sturdy base on the ground and its point reaching upwards, connecting you to the divine spark of transformation. This shape reminds you of your inner strength, and as you descend, you feel lighter, shedding the day's worries like embers burning away. Feel this divine fire purifying your mind and body. Every breath is a reminder that you hold great personal power and that this power can be used for good. You feel lighter, your worries fading, as you complete the first step deeper into the journey. The second step is about being grounded in strength and being fully connected to the earth. As you begin to take this step, the hexahedron, or cube, appears beneath your feet. Visualize its 6 square faces, all perfectly aligned at 90-degree angles, forming a solid, balanced structure. The hexahedron feels stable and immovable, representing the grounding energy of the earth. Imagine standing on this shape, each of its faces connected, creating a foundation that is both strong and reliable. Its form is sturdy, and it makes you feel secure and supported. As you step down, you can almost feel the weight of the earth supporting you, reminding you that you are grounded, safe, and firmly anchored in the present moment. This step reinforces the truth that God's creation is both firm and secure, a foundation for your journey. Every muscle in your body relaxes, and you feel the strength of the earth holding you in safety and peace. The next step provides a breath of balance. As you step down onto the third step, The elegant octahedron appears, floating lightly around you. This shape consists of 8 triangular faces, arranged in perfect symmetry like 2 pyramids joined at their bases. The octahedron is delicate yet balanced, representing the element of air. As you visualize it, notice how its points reach outward in every direction, creating a sense of openness and expansion. It floats effortlessly, reflecting the lightness of your breath. Enjoy the inhale and feel its airy energy filling your lungs with calm, and as you exhale, you release any tension. The octahedron symbolizes balance between the physical and spiritual, and its perfect symmetry invites harmony into your being. As you step down, you breathe deeply, inhaling peace and exhaling any remaining tension once again. With each breath, your mind clears, your body relaxes, and you come closer to the completeness that God desires for you. The next step is ether, or embracing the spirit. As you descend to the 4th step, the ethereal dodecahedron appears before you. This shape is made up of 12 pentagonal faces, each one perfectly symmetrical, forming a spherical-like structure. The dodecahedron represents the element of ether, the spirit, and the vastness of the universe. Imagine its soft, glowing edges, radiating light as it hovers around you. Its many faces remind you of the complexity and beauty of creation, yet it moves with a quiet grace, connecting you to the infinite. As you focus on this shape, you feel embraced by the universe itself, held gently by the divine. The dodecahedron represents unity with all that exists, a reminder that you are always connected to God's love and presence. You are also reminded that you are connected to something much greater, God's universal consciousness, the divine central force uniting all creation. The Spirit holds you gently, assuring you that you are never alone on this journey. This next step brings the flow of calmness like the water running through a gentle river. On the 5th step, the fluid energy of the icosahedron surrounds you. This shape consists of 20 triangular faces, all evenly spaced, forming a round, almost spherical figure. The icosahedron represents water, and as you picture it, you can almost feel the gentle flow of a river or the rhythm of an ocean. The shape is smooth, and its many faces create a sense of movement and fluidity. Visualize it softly rotating around you, its flowing energy washing over your body like a calming wave. As the icosahedron spins gently, you feel any remaining stress being carried away, just as water effortlessly moves around obstacles. Its graceful form reminds you that peace can be found by going with the flow, letting go of control, and trusting in the natural rhythm of life. You feel the natural flow of life within you, guided by the gentle hand of God. Each step brings you closer to rest, the waters reminding you to let go and trust in the divine flow. As you reach the 6th step, the tetrahedron's fire returns, now deeper and more powerful. This flame ignites a sense of inner strength, illuminating the truth that you are capable of great good. This flame is not only a source of purification but also a reminder of your divine purpose and your ability to act with love and kindness. The 7th step brings the solid strength of the hexahedron back to you, grounding you further. You feel secure, knowing that you are supported by both the earth and by God. There is no need to worry, no need to hold on to stress, for you are surrounded by divine strength and stability. As you step down again, the air around you becomes clearer and lighter. On the 8th step, the octahedron returns, filling you with fresh air and a deep sense of balance. You breathe in stillness, and your mind becomes quiet. Each breath brings you into deeper unity with the divine, reminding you that God's presence surrounds you always. As you continue your descent onto the 9th step, the light of the dodecahedron grows brighter, surrounding you completely. This step brings you into a deeper connection with God's universal consciousness, the divine energy that holds everything together. You feel at one with the universe, knowing that God is at the center of it all, guiding you gently toward peace and rest. On the 10th step, you once again feel the soothing flow of water around you. The icosahedron guides you into deeper healing, gently washing away any remaining worries or doubts. You feel like you are floating effortlessly in a huge ocean or abundance, moving towards a place of perfect peace. God's love flows over you like a gentle river, bringing you calm and serenity. As you reach the 11th step, the flame of the tetrahedron returns for the final time, not to burn, but to light your way. This gentle flame glows from within, illuminating the peace that now fills your heart. You are fully ready to rest, knowing that you are loved, safe, and whole in God's presence. The 12th step brings you once again into the glow of the dodecahedron's light. Now, you feel the fullness of unity, the divine completeness that comes from being connected to God and all creation. You are at peace, completely in harmony with the universe and surrounded by love. You now reach the 13th and bottom step of this beautiful staircase. As your foot touches the soft sand, you feel a gentle warmth around you. The air is calm, and the soothing sound of waves gently lapping the shore reaches your ears. Above you, the sky is dark, yet filled with a peaceful glow, as if the universe itself is watching over you. God is holding you in His loving embrace. In this moment of quiet stillness, you begin to notice a shape forming in the sky above. It is Metatron's cube, a beautiful and intricate pattern. Even if you have never seen it before, you can easily visualize its graceful design in your mind's eye. At the center of the cube is a glowing circle, radiating peace and light. Around the central circle are 12 more circles, all interconnected by lines of light, like a web of perfect symmetry. The lines stretch out from the center to meet each of the outer circles, forming a balanced and harmonious pattern. Together, these 13 circles create a shape that is both simple and complex, reflecting the unity and completeness of the universe. As you gaze upon Metatron's cube, it begins to spin gently, radiating soft beams of light in every direction. You can feel its calming presence as if it is gently holding you within its energy. This sacred geometry represents the harmony of all creation, the elements of fire, earth, air, water, and spirit, coming together as one with God, the divine central force, at the center. As you watch Metatron's cube, you realize that it reflects your journey, the 12 steps you've taken, each representing an element of creation, and now this 13th step, where all things come together in perfect unity. Like Christ at the center of His 12 disciples, this shape reminds you that God is always at the center of creation, offering you peace, wisdom, and spiritual guidance. Romans chapter 13, verse 10 echoes in your mind, "Love does no wrong to a neighbor, therefore love is the fulfillment of the law." You realize you are love, and with each breath, you feel this love flowing through you, God's love that fills every part of creation, including you. With each breath, you feel more and more at one with this divine pattern. You are cradled in its sacred energy, wrapped in love and completeness. The soft light from Metatron's cube shines down on you, filling you with a deep sense of peace. As the image fades into the peaceful night sky, you are left with a feeling of wholeness, knowing that you are connected to something far greater than yourself. You are loved, you are safe, and you are complete in God's presence. Now, sink into the soft sand, the relaxing, comfortable cradle, and close your eyes. Let this deep, calming energy carry you into a peaceful and restorative sleep. Rest in the knowledge that you are held within the harmony of creation, surrounded by divine love and completeness. Sleep now, deeply and peacefully, knowing that you are safe in the hands of God's love and creation. You are whole, you are loved, and you are at peace. Sleep deeply, cradled by the universe, and wake renewed and refreshed.